Check this out, this is the brand new XGT 40V Max Plunge Saw from Makita. Now this track saw's got a brushless motor and it features constant speed control, working to maintain a constant blade speed even under heavy load. You've also got a variable speed dial so you can match the saw to the material you're cutting and the blade you're running, giving you a variable max speed of 2,500 RPM to 4,900 RPM. It does come standard with Makita's 165mm or 6.5 inch on the old scale Effie cut blade, giving you a max cutting capacity of 56mm at 0 or 40mm at 45. There's a nice, easy to read, adjustable depth gauge so you can set and forget the depth of your plunge. And at the top of that gauge is a little blue latch that you rotate to lock the plunge for an easy blade change with the shaft lock and the onboard tool. Now it's got a few features that you don't see on every track saw, like this little plunge stop here. By setting that, it auto stops the plunge at 2 to 3mm. That allows you to do like a skim pass across the length of your work, much like the scribe on a panel saw. Retract the stop and do a normal cut, and assuming your track hasn't moved, you'll get a much nicer finish on your edge. Ideal for cross-cutting veneer board or melamine. The bevel system's got 2 locks at the front and the rear of the saw, and it's got positive stops for quick stopping at 45 and 22.5. To tilt it to the max 48 degrees, you need to tilt it all the way to 45, lift this little tab here to remove the 45 quick stop, and then it'll go all the way to 48. Then lock it off and you're ready to rip. And if you need to do a -1 degree bevel, it's a little fiddly, but once you've unlocked the 2 locking screws, you then press these 2 tabs here and then tighten the locking screws again. And last but not least, it comes standard with Makita's AWS, so it'll sync with Makita's AWS VACs. All in all, it's a really nice track saw, very welcome addition to the XGT 40V Max range. Make sure you check it out in store or go online to cindytools.com.au for more information. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Cindy Tools TV.